This is what the mufflers look like.
Wow.
And you see the holes in there?
Yeah.
And cracked all the way around. Well, I needed these ends.
Okay.
So I cut them off. And I lined up, bolted everything on and lined it up. And these are the new mufflers, one on each side.
Okay.
And guaranteed to last.
Okay.
These are called bullet mufflers. They're, him and I ordered these from the States specially,
Okay.
and I happen to have a pair. So instead of them bringing me some shit like that, I'm gonna put these bullet mufflers on, a new exhaust.
Could they even have used those things at all, or like, could you have repaired them or no?
No, I couldn't repair them, and they ordered a pair from Rag 3 months ago, and they haven't come in. Well, I'm not going to be here until July.
Okay. So there was something you wanted to tell me about Jenny Craig or something like that.
Oh, I'm putting on a little weight,
Yeah,
as you can see.
We noticed that.
So Peter and I are thinking about, there's 3 new things out now. There's beets.
Yeah.
You mix some of these dried beets into water, and it's supposed to help your circulation. Then you got vegetables and fruit that they squeezed all the juice out of, eh?
Okay.
And then somehow or other they freeze-dried it and made powder of it and put it into capsules. That's supposed to be the answer. It just picks you right up.
Okay.
And then there's Jenny Craig. One of those girls lost 90 pounds, and this old guy and his wife, he just weeping. They lost 80 pounds between the two of them, and they're eating 5 meals a day. Mind you, they're only about that big, but it's mostly macaroni, spaghetti, and a few green peas. So I'm thinking Peter and I should get on to that.
What do you think, Peter?
And trim up.
Sounds like a great idea.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything is good.
Yeah.
We got lots of cigarettes. We restocked with happy hour stuff, so we're good.
Okay. So you moved out the other orange airboat, and you got this one in here now. The trailer's gone.
Yeah.
Missed a few days there of videoing, but you want to do a quick walk around and
Yeah,
show
like
us what we're
The boys were here the other day, and none of these lights work. Eh?
okay at the top. Yeah.
I gotta get my pointer just a minute. Luckily, if you're in a hurry, you miss this kind of stuff, eh?
Okay.
But if you notice here, those wires aren't hooked to anything.
Oh, so
And
that's
you
maybe
have
why
to-
they don't work.
You have to hook to a switch to make them work. All of them.
Yeah.
So that was an easy one.
Okay.
And he wants a new one of these.
What's that?
That's an overflow tank. And he thought he brought me one, but I took one off of a customer because it was no good, so I told him he can have mine or this one.
Okay.
So anyway, we're gonna put new fan belts on here because there's one new one, one old one,
Okay.
and you don't do that. And this switch is buggered.
What is that for?
That's for the batteries.
Okay.
We're gonna take this off and make a frame and put a screen on.
So similar to what you did on the
Yeah.
orange airboat.
Yeah. And then over here, this hose has to be either fastened tight to that frame or sleeved, because if it's going like this, it's gonna wear a hole in it.
Okay.
We
And-
got new pipes coming,
Those are the old ones.
and I took 2 hammers and straightened these out. So that's good. As you can see, the
That-
rad is smashed,
You
the fins, so all them fins have to be straightened out.
So you're gonna recomb all that, or are you
Yeah.
gonna? Okay.
I gotta put new fuel line here
Okay.
and a see-through filter up to the fuel pump.
Perfect.
And then some of these switches don't work, and the ignition switch is screwed. So we're gonna put new ignition switch in, and however many switches we need here, and then hook up the wiring so that you actually have lights.
Okay.
You see, there's the positive, and
Yeah.
that's the negative. And then this cable is sticking, so if they can't get one, I have one stock. Well, that's the throttle cable.
Okay.
And I'm gonna straighten this axle, or else I have a spare one in the brand new.
So
Put
Dad
them
noticed
back.
if you actually stand back, that you can see
Both tires are
the tires are kind of tipped,
tipped to the inside.
and that means that the axle is bent.
And then if you look here, the first thing you'll notice is there's no thread there,
Yeah.
and this is
So that
just
means
like new,
wearing on the inside.
wearing on the inside.
And there's the phone again. Okay, so that's Dad's next project here.